Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through using VBA in Excel. First, click the Developer tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen to open the Developer tools. Then click Visual Basic in the Code section to open the VBA Editor window. In the Project Explorer panel on the left, you'll see a list of your workbook's sheets. Click Sheet 1 to select it. Now double-click Sheet 2 in the Project Explorer to open its code window in the main editing area. Next, click the View menu at the top of the editor to open the menu options. From the View menu, click Code to make sure the code window is active and ready for editing. Now type your macro. For this example, I'm writing sub hello message open parentheses close parentheses. Then on the next line, megj, quote hello, comma Excel, exclamation mark quote, and finally end sub on the third line. Once your code is written, click the Run menu at the top to open the Run options. From the Run menu, click Run Sub/User Form to execute your macro. This tells Excel to run the code you just wrote. Your message box appears with the text Hello, Excel displayed. This confirms your VBA code is working correctly. Click OK to close the message box and return to the editor. If the Developer tab isn't visible in your ribbon, you'll need to enable it first. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon, select Customize the ribbon, and check the Developer checkbox in the right-hand column. You can edit your macro anytime by returning to the VBA editor and changing the code in the module window. To run a macro from Excel itself rather than the editor, go to the Developer tab and click Macros, then select your macro name and click Run. And that's how to write and run VBA code in Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.